Hello. Come here. You're from Bangalore only?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Oops. So where did you have the first surgery done in your foot?
No, it is not for surgery. After accident, they immediately transport to nearest government hospital. So somehow they try to cover the bloods.
That's all.
No, that's it.
No other treatment after that. ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ.
No.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಈಗ?
2 years.
ಓಕೆ. again correct it. ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೈಟ್. both upper and lower ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ?
Major.
I'll do both.
So ಇದೇನು ಬೇಡ. Doesn't matter. Usually close beer. So ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ
ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. I can do both. So total 1 day stay ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೆಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇ 1 day because ಇದು superficial ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Muscle have to do. Then only lip shape will be correct here also. But bigger problem here in the muscle. So what happens? Better to do when you are sleeping and then you stay with us for a few hours. Then again come after 6 days for sutures and all will be removed. That's it. Even after 1 or 2 days, even before the stitch is removed, if you want, you can go for work. Have to put some tape there. We'll give you some tapes. You can go.
I can.
That's it. Then after 6 days removed, then you can go.
My only concern about fully.
It will be fully clear. Sure. Don't worry. 100%. Good result I will get for you. Meet my team. They will tell you the total everything. Then you make a plan when you want. It's not emergency also. You can do after 6 months, 6 days, whenever you want. Then we can plan. Okay?
Okay.